Hello, guys, this video will show you how to reorder awaiting shipment orders. To begin with, you need to cancel the awaiting shipment order. Log in to your DSers dashboard and switch to the Open Orders menu. Access the AliExpress page and click on the Awaiting Shipment tab. Locate the order card of the order you want to cancel and click on the numbers next to order number. You will be redirected to the AliExpress order details page. Find and click on Cancel Order. You will be taken to the AliExpress refund order page. Select a reason for canceling the order and click on Submit. In the pop-up, click Confirm. DSers will move this order to the Cancelled tab. Then you can modify the cancelled order. Click the action icon on the order card of the order you desire and select Edit. Click on the supplier selector and select a supplier. Enter a new supplier URL in the search box and click the OK button. Choose the new variant you want to order and select a shipping method. Click on Save. Now, you can reorder the order. Click on Order again on the order card of the order you just modified. In the pop-up, click Confirm. After you place the order again, it will be moved to the Awaiting Payment tab, and now you can pay for it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!